Do you want to know that the importance of nutrition? Do you want to know that the meaning of food and diet, a balanced diet? Do you want to know that the daily requirement energy? Or you want to know that about the food nutrition? Then you are in the right place. And hello everyone, this is Aves Krishna and welcome to my channel Quarterback Guide Education. Today I am starting a new lecture series which is basically related to food nutrition and diet. It all about the food nutrition and the balanced diet. We are going to calculate the basic requirement, the daily energy requirement, the about nutrition, what is the essential, what is the non-essential nutrition, and all about the related to our daily food stuffs and diets. So please keep watching till end if you want to know all about this, and if you want know, to share your friend, if you want to uh, give the knowledge of your colleague or your family member, then you can share, like, subscribe my channel. If you are a new, then you definitely subscribe my channel for all the video content, whatever you want to look at, you can find from my playlist. Okay, so let's continue with nutrition. First of all, we are in this video we are only talking about nutrition, and in next upcoming videos we discuss the diets, balanced diets, and we will calculate the daily requirement, the recommended energy requirement value, and all these things. Okay, so before further late, we will begin with the nutrition. Nutrition is something Latin word which is a mean of nutri, and the it is related to nourishment, or you can say that nurse. You know that the breastfeeding child, a mother nourish her child, his child, and and these all the things related to nourishment. And so nutrition is basically two types. One is the essential and another is non-essential. Why we'll divide the essential and non-essential? The essential is basically the nutrition, the parts with whatever essential we need it from outside. Okay, so we have to take it from outside. And non-essential, all the nutrition with whatever we required our body, and body can produce itself. Okay, so body can generate or form or produce itself on in the body. So we don't need a large amount, we don't need definitely non-essentials. So, and the major part of essential, so there is a 9 essential amino acid and 2 essential fatty acid, and there is a 13 essential vitamins, and water, and some essential inorganic nutritions. So all these all are essential nutrition whatever required to our body. We are going to discuss about these essential nutrition. Okay, so the knowledge of nutrition is not limited to the a particular member of only for doctor or food nutrition, or any medical person. Okay, so knowledge of nutrition is important to all of you guys. Okay, whatever you are doing in your life, you are your doctor, you are engineer, or you are a lawyer, or you are in any field. Okay, so it's basically to knowledge about your health. Okay, uh, why I'm going to uploading about this topic, because I know that this is very important to all of you. Okay, so a lot of diseases occurring in our society, a lot of nutritional disorders also related to that things basic development of child, our malnutrition, what is malnutrition related to a development which can suppress the growth of child, mental retard the child, and a lot of things will regret the this nutrition. So lack of food or lack of essential nutrition in the food give rise to a disease, a risk to disease. So that's why, and hence the knowledge of nutrition is very 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 important. So uh, yeah, as I'm saying that this is not important only for the doctors. A lot of specialists also require this knowledge, like a cardiologist, a nephrologist, a gastroenterologist, a neurologist, a hematologist, endocrinologist, a psychologist, a general practitioner. All of these required to knowledge about the nutrition. I'm going to tell one by one. The cardiologist, why cardiologist to have to know that the nutrition, because whenever he or she dealing with their patients, and he have interest about the fat and cholesterol, he have to advise or give some precautions with their patient and regulate their cholesterol and fats. So that's why there is important. And a nephrologist, yeah, of course, protein deficiency disease and potassium excess, sodium intake, potassium excess, so all these things should know that the nephrologist. And gastroenterologist have to know that about the malnutrition, malabsorption in the GIT, and what is the hypersensitivity causes like wheat, bran, and gluten, milk. Some people have this kind of hypersensitivity, so gastroenterologists have knowledge about that. And dietary fibers, according to the a patient who is suffering from constipation, patient suffering from gallstones, so gastroenterologist definitely know that about the nutrition. And hematologist also know that about nutrition, because of a lot one disease more common is anemic, nutritional anemia is common in our society. Iron deficiency anemia is also a part of nutrition, why endocrinologist important to know that the things, because endocrinologists prefer endocrinology deals with their patient iodine deficiency disease, and they can prevent the goiter and school going children or school going child, so that's important for the purpose of endocrinologist. And now I'm going to tell you in the point of view psychiatrists also important to know that the nutrition. Psychiatric dealing with their patient with anorexia, okay, anorexia nervosa, so that's why. And a general practitioner is also important, because all disease and all other general problems happening in publics, they are coming in first of all general practitioner. And general practitioner should know about the pregnancy condition, infant feeding, milk, and middle age, older age. So all age should be important to know that the nutrition, which age have a because there is a variation in requirement, daily energy requirement in a child, of adult, there is a other energy required. In case of female and male, there is a lot of variation energy requirement. So that's why all the things we know that very important about the food nutrition. So thank you for this video, and next video I'm going to tell you about the essential nutrition, whatever the essential nutrition, like essential nutrition in inorganic, in is 2 essential amino acid, 2 fatty acid, and 13 vitamins. And what is the importance of water, water is also important in there. Okay. And one more things, I also classify the classic